So I'm here at LD Systems. I'm looking at this array. This is called the Curv 500TS. And to tell us more about it, we have Steve from LD Systems.
Hi guys, how are you?
Show us what you got.
All right, well, the Curv system from LD Systems is a brand new line array system that's very portable, and it can be configured in a lot of different ways, so that depending on the room that you're playing in,
right,
you can just set it up so that you can get full coverage of the room and full SPL.
Now we're at an angle here that can be changed.
Absolutely. There's three components that comprises this system. First one is your array cubes, and this is a single cube. Okay. So if you look up here, basically what you have is a 4-inch driver in it and three 1-inch titanium high-frequency packs.
Okay.
So this is at a 10-degree angle this way. The other component you can use is a dual, which actually is basically the same thing, just twice as much.
Sure.
But what you have is a 7-degree angle. So by combining these in a certain way, you can control the vertical dispersion in your room, depending on how big the room is, how much down throw you want for tables that are close to you or further away.
Right.
The entire array is 110 degrees horizontal, so you're getting a nice wide dispersion of the entire array. So the second piece of this puzzle is this SmartLink adapter. So that's, since these are sealed cubes, the way that you get the sound into these cubes is with this adapter right here.
They all just click together.
Exactly. Right from the back to the front, you come forward, you push the little button, and then it locks right in.
That is so cool. And then you have two different pull, I guess, configs you can use.
Exactly, depending on what type of tilt you want, and your speak-on cable goes right in there to bring the sound all the way up to the top of the array.
Now the array is all powered by the subwoofer, correct?
Correct. In this case, we have a 15-inch powered subwoofer. There's built-in DSP on the back. You basically will tell it how many cubes it's going to see so that it adjusts itself. If you're only using 3 cubes, it'll back the sub down so that's not overpowering the cubes.
Nice.
If you're using 6, you basically put the control to 6 and it'll keep up with. Basically, what you're looking at here is 18 high-frequency drivers, since each of these has 3. 18 high-frequency drivers and 6 mid-range 4-inch drivers and the 15-inch sub.
That is really cool. Now, if these people want to know more about this, where can they go?
Sure, they can go to ld-systems.com.
ld-systems.com. Look how neat and clean that is. You don't have a bunch of wires hanging off the back or anything. Steve, thanks for showing this to us today.
Thank you for coming by.